Yes sir, rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video we got a 2012 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI, and we have a coolant leak. I diagnosed it and found the leak, and I'm gonna show you where it is. Right, I poured some coolant fluid down in there to fill it up. Try to get some light. Alright, that's better right there. Now, this line, no, it's the one below it. That line right there is leaking coolant. It's cracked. Look at that. That's those plastic lines for you. And that thing is a 3-piece. That's an assembly. As you can see, it got a plastic piece on it. I hope it's not leaking from here. The other one might need to be replaced too. But that's the main one right here. We're gonna see what it does when we replace it, fill it up, top it off. But it's a 3-way, one here, one there, and the other end goes here. I got the part, let's get it. That's our part number. I got this from AutoZone. It was like $50-something, but this is where it's broken at. Now this one, it's metal. It's not, I don't think it's plastic. So yeah, it's gonna last a lot longer. We won't have to worry about that breaking again. If anything, the hoses, we have to take those off and reconnect them, change those out. All right, we got that hose clip off. Got it back. That one. Got that one off as well. All right, now we got to get to this one right here. This one is a more tougher one. It's down below. We'll have to remove this intake, get better access. All right, we got an 8mm right here. Took that out. And I can move. We're gonna remove this hose and connector, and also that 8mm. All right, now we should be able to get to it. Where that hose at? Right below. That's it. That's it right there. Now we can use our pliers to get that out. This is what I'm using. Channel locks. All right, we almost there. In order to pull that line out, can't get no room until this comes out. This coolant reservoir, 2 10mm. And now we can move the lines. Look at that. All right, that's the hose. And now I should be able to move this. Get this off of here. Gotta twist those off because they're gonna be seized on there. You gotta pretty much use the channel locks and twist them.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's gonna be tough getting these hoses off. I went ahead and broke it in pieces in half or whatever so I can grab onto it. Now this one right here, it was here. And in order, I couldn't get nothing around there to twist it without it touching this hose either. So this is what I did. Poked a hole in it and I got right up under the surface and pried this away. And when I did that, I went ahead and grabbed from the back and just tugged on it and pulled off. Alright, that's the new one. That's the old one. Plastic. No plastic. Alright, reverse order. We about to go in. Yeah, we finally back in, man. It's gonna be a little tough trying to push those. You got to put some oil or something on them. inside of those holes so they can slip on. But we are good. Go ahead and put this intake back in there. Alright, make sure you top it off, check for leaks. That's gonna be it. Until next time, the Pull Up King.